Something else. I don't know what it is. Got something big. Holy Hannah. It's definitely big, guys. Holy shit. Another one. I got another one, guys. I got another one. Holy shit. It's crazy. Can you hear it? Can you hear that reel? Holy shit! Listen to that thing spin. He's just a fighter. He's fighting, he's fighting. Alright guys, I hope you see what's going on here. Oh, we got one hell of a catfish. Trying to bring him up. He does not want to come up. I don't know if you guys can see him. Landing right here. He is just a pulling. Man, they think they put on one hell of a fight. One hell of a fight. Let me set this back up. Let me show if the camera was rolling or not. Never know with me. The camera is right. Alright guys, I'm gonna bring him in. Try and reel him so you can see it. He's fucking fighting, holy shit. Jeez, look at that pole bend. We got one hell of a fish. Wow. Look at him. Look at him. Look at that. Let me keep reeling. I don't know if you guys can see him. There he is. Look at it. Fuck. I was playing with him too much. Broke off. Pretty exciting though. Had him right in the shore, you guys saw it. He just kept fighting and fighting. Every time I try to grab hold of him, he'd try to go back out. Let's try again.